In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password on Amazon Prime account. Your Amazon Prime membership is tied to your main Amazon account, so when you change your Amazon password, it automatically updates for Prime as well. This won't cancel or interrupt your membership. You might be asked to sign in again on your devices afterward, which is normal and a good security measure. Let's start on a desktop. Open your browser, go to the Amazon website, and sign in if you aren't already. At the top right, hover your mouse over the Accounts and Lists menu. From the drop-down, click your account to open your account dashboard. On that page, choose Login and Security. This is where you manage your sign-in details. Next to Password, click Edit. You'll be prompted to enter your current password, then your new password. Pick a password that's strong and unique. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords from other sites. Type it carefully to prevent typos. When you're ready, click Save Changes. Amazon will confirm the update, and you may be signed out on other devices so you can sign back in with the new password. If you've forgotten your password, there's an easy recovery path. Go to the Amazon login page and select Forgot your password? Enter the email address or phone number associated with your account. Amazon will send you a one-time code, sometimes called an OTP. Retrieve that code from your messages, enter it on the site, and you'll be prompted to create a new password. Again, choose something secure and memorable to you, and confirm to finish. This resets your Amazon sign-in, which also updates Prime immediately. A few important notes to keep things smooth and secure. Changing your password doesn't affect your Prime benefits. Streaming, shipping, and other perks remain active. After the change, plan to log in again on devices where you use Amazon or Prime, like your TV, tablet, or streaming stick. This helps ensure that only you keep access. For extra protection, consider turning on two-step verification in the same login and security area. With that enabled, Amazon will ask for a verification code in addition to your password when you sign in, which greatly reduces the risk of unauthorized access. That's it. Update your password through Login and Security, or use the Forgot Your Password flow if you're locked out, and you'll be back in securely with your Prime benefits intact. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to secure your account right now.